हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
Bubble, bubble in the air, floating softly everywhere. Red bubble, blue bubble bright, shining, glowing, what a sight. Big bubble, small bubble too, rainbow colors pink and blue. Up they go, down they fall, tickle nose and touch the wall. Touch one gently, pop, 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 poply, laughing loudly. Never stop, clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Spin around so happy we jump up high, jump down low. Watch the bubbles come and go. Blow again, one more time. Bubble, bubble, feel the rhyme. Bubble, bubble, don't you stop. Sing with us. Pop, 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 rap, pop.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।